Components are a great way to structure issues in Jira, especially when it comes to reporting and automation. But what about collaborating across projects? Well, if you use Octo to manage your components in Jira, not only can you own the same component across multiple teams and projects, but you can also release native component versions and track work progress without the need to link your release to a project. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Octo allows you to create and manage all components from a single centralized view in Jira and filter them via label tags that you get to create, edit, and view. It also enables access beyond admins to include your team in the management process, and it helps create a standardized structure to buy you time in the future. But why believe us when we say that it's the best app for managing components in Jira? Try it for free today and see for yourself.